Good morning, everybody. The Unicorn Spirits wants us to finish what we started. We must believe in our abilities. Your intuition today is your greatest strength. Trust it. And remember to practice self love. We've all had trouble and accusations that made us feel very stuck, but we chose positivity and we're moving forward. We had dealings and relationships with a man that took us from chaos into peace and harmony. We have corrected the wrongs. Our psychic abilities are increasing, so trust your intuition. Money is coming and divine wishes are being granted. We are going to be so happy and content. You should accept valid criticism. It will help you rid your body of things that doesn't serve you anymore. Put the good in front of all situations and you'll see the goodness come back into your life. There's a temporary situation that you're going to get notice about it soon, and you have to trust the magic in this area. Temptation will test you, but you've rekindled your inner self and you've found people that you can connect with. This you did by letting go of things that caused you to be stuck. And you feel free and you have faith. You're dealing with a young lady and you're going to collaborate with her and work with her. And this is going to take you out of feeling so stuck. You both just need to be patient. There's great good fortune coming your way. Expect the unexpected and trust that your angels and spirit guides are with you always. Do not be tempted to lower your standards. The star card is here, and there's brightness and hope coming your way. It will bring excess, so be careful of greed. Stay focused because money and wishes are coming true. And our loved ones say, open your arms to receiving. Thank you all for listening. I love you. Have a good day.